Hi folks, Rod here with KT Connections for our monthly video tech tip. Last month we discussed Microsoft Bookings. It helps with booking meetings with customers. Today let's concentrate on Microsoft Clipchamp. Go to office.com, log in with your business email address and password. Next we'll click on Clipchamp. Microsoft acquired Clipchamp in September of 2021. Clipchamp is a video editor that can help with family, travel, or business videos, and vlogs perfect for YouTube. To get started, you can upload a video, start a screen or camera recording, create a video project, or generate a playlist. To begin this video project, we can view our existing media, create a screen and camera recording, create only a webcam recording, or simply the screen recording, and perform text-to-speech. To do screen and camera recordings, you simply select your preferred camera, then select your screen to record. You can choose from your browser tabs, application windows, or the entire screen. Here's an example of a video we created earlier. Notice we have a track for the camera and the screen loaded up, ready for editing. Let's review some of the features on the left toolbar, including record and create, adding text, music, stock videos, stock images, graphics, or transitions. The branded kit tool will store your logos, color palettes, and fonts to create quick and polished and repeatable business videos. On the right menu, we have the Properties toolbar, including editing audio, generating shapes and fades, applying filters. You can also create special effects, adjust overall colors, change the speed of video, and pick from transitions and a color palette. I suggest you take some time and test out Clipchamp as a powerful content creation and editing tool. Next month, our tech tip will highlight additional productivity steps to help you become more efficient. So stay tuned.